Inside a nuclear power plant, the control room hums. Cooling towers rise, steam billowing. The reactor core glows blue, powerful. Uranium fuel rods release immense energy. Steam turbines spin with controlled force. Electricity surges, lighting up a city at night. Smooth camera transition guidance. Educational labels explain each step. Glowing effects enhance the visuals. Warm narrator lighting adds clarity. Cinematic glow creates a modern feel. Clear, step-by-step visuals aid understanding. Realistic smoke rises from the stacks. Water cools the system efficiently. Reactor cutaway views reveal inner workings. Professional science explainer tone. Modern background music enhances the experience. The control room monitors vital signs. Energy flows from the core. Turbines convert steam into power. Electricity reaches homes and businesses. Safety protocols are strictly followed. The process is clean and efficient. Technology powers our modern world. The reactor's blue glow is mesmerizing. Fuel rods sustain the reaction. Steam rushes through the pipes. The city lights up, vibrant and alive. Each component plays a crucial role. The system is carefully balanced. Innovation drives progress forward. The future of energy is here. Understanding nuclear power is essential. The animation provides clear insight. Technology and science unite. Powering the world safely and efficiently.